Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you've seen from the title, today we are going to do our review on Kylie times the Grinch Collection. Yes, I did go out and I bought the Kylie Cosmetics Grinch Collection. I am going to give y'all a disclaimer right now. I did not buy every single product of this launch, so if you are thinking that, no I did not. I didn't buy every single product, but I did buy the products that stood out to me and the products that I knew I would use. So I didn't get the red lipstick just because honestly I own so many red lipsticks. I felt like I did not need to have any more. I have like a ton. If you haven't seen, I'll probably link in the description, not the description, but I'll link like somewhere in the video, probably like over here, my must have red lipsticks for the holiday, I think is what I named it. I did this about maybe a year or 2 years ago, but I'll definitely put that up there. So if you guys are looking for a good red lipstick, you can check out that video. I give you like mattes, glosses, all different finishes, as well as I did not get the lipstick set just because, like I said, I have a lot of lip products, so I didn't really feel like I needed that. But I did get the lip gloss because it was super pretty and I love a gloss, and it was a high shine. So I got the high gloss, I got the eyeshadow palette, as well as I got the topper and a liner. So really quickly before we even jump into the video, I just want to show y'all how the packaging looks and what these products retail for. So I'm going to show y'all that. So this is how the eye glaze looks. It looks like this. And it has the Grinch time with Kylie. And then in the back, of course, it tells y'all what the color is. And this is the packaging for the eye glaze, which I thought was all cute. The eye glazes do retail for $20. So that one is $20 for the eye glaze. This was $16. It looks like a little Christmas ornament. And then on the opposite side is the Grinch. It's super cute, like a Christmas ornament. I'm probably going to save this and probably just put this on like the Christmas tree because it's super nice. And then the high gloss looks like this. So $20 for the high gloss. My favorite of them all will definitely be the eyeshadow palette, which looks like this packaging wise. I thought the packaging was super duper cute. The eyeshadow, the Kai shadows are $40, and I'm going to show y'all how the palette looks because I don't believe I showed y'all while I was doing it, but just in case you want to see like a whole outer view. So it looks like this. Of course, it's going to be, mine is going to have like the marks where I used it, but this is how all the colors look. Super pretty. It comes with a mirror, which I definitely can appreciate. I love palettes that come with a mirror. And then the very last thing I got is just going to be the right here, and the Kyliner is $18. So this is how all the products look. And also another thing, you guys, I'm so sorry for anybody who wasn't able to get the collection, but the collection is currently sold out. And I believe she said she's not restocking. I don't know, maybe cross our fingers they do a restock, but the Kylie times Grinch collection is sold out. So that is just something I will say keep in mind. But Kylie Cosmetics, they do so many launches and so many different products. Like, y'all, definitely, I would say hop on the next one or get some of the products that's already there because they are super bomb. But enough of me rambling on. Let's just go straight into this video. So let's go. And we highlighted our brow bone. Now we are going to go in with the next shade, which is going to be the color Who's Who. So Who's Who is kind of like a really nice transitional color. It's just a really like beigey, orange soda-y type of vibe. So that's Who's Who. Transition everything. And don't be alarmed, honestly, if it doesn't look like much. Usually your transition shade, it's just a shade that helps everything else just kind of blend in. So that's Who's Who. Now, guys, we're going to move into the next color, which is called Green Mean. So Green Mean is really just going to be a part of our whole green Grinch vibe right here. My first Kylie palette. It reminds me of any other palette, to be honest. Like, it's picks up pretty good. It has a little bit of a powdery like texture, but it's not crazy that it's falling out all over my face. As you guys can see, it's not gonna fall out all over your face. Usually when that happens, like, honestly, you just have to go like this. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna pick it up again. Y'all can see this is gonna come out when you dust it off. So that is gonna come out, I'm gonna be honest, but it's nothing like you can't work with. Honestly, just like pat it out and you'll be fine. Like, literally, you'll be fine. It's blending really nicely for me. So that's that. I probably added this about 2 times, but I think on the other eye I did it 3 times, so I'm going to do it one more time, like one more layer, just to really give y'all that green look. So we did 3 layers of it, and then now I'm going to go into the next shade, which is going to help start to give it that smoky olivey look like this side, and this is called Stocking Full of Cold olive shade. So what I normally always do, push it in the corner like so and just build it up to my intensity. I am dipping in the color again so it can really come off how I want it to come off, and I'm just doing circular motions, focusing it on this side. And this is Stocking Full of Cold, just so you guys can see. I'm gonna go in with my Kyliner, and this is the shade Olive. So it is an olive liner, which I liked. I like that she did a colored liner. I thought that was different. I thought it really went well with the collection, and I don't own many colored liners, so that was like definitely one of the things I said for sure I want to pick up. So I did figure like, okay, let me just kind of, because of the look I'm gonna do, I knew I had to do the liner like before I put down that glittery shade. So I said, let me just do the liner first, and then I'll add the glitter. Okay, I kind of made a mistake right here, but whatever. What if? And skip at all, so it's this one right here, and I'm gonna apply it first without using any setting spray, just so you guys can see how it applies. Now I would definitely say with this formula, you are going to push this in your skin, and just be aware that you may get fallout. So like when I did the setting spray on the opposite eye, I didn't get any fallout, but by itself you are gonna get fallout. So I would say that's probably something just to keep in mind. I'm going to actually use the setting spray now. I'm going to apply it again, and I'm going to spray it. So typically with these type of colors, I always spray regardless. And the spray just kind of helps that you don't get as much fallout like so. But other than that, it's not bad. Actually, and I kind of missed a step. Oh my god. Okay, so I kind of missed a step. For the other eye, I did go in with the shade Snarl with the Sneer, which is like a warm brown. It looks like this. I'm probably just going to add it in really quickly. I forgot I did that, but I took that shade like in here and just added it in here, just to kind of warm it up. I'm like, I knew I was forgetting something. So this is Snarl with a Sneer. It's just like a warm brown. Like I said, y'all, I did forget that I added that to the other eye, so that's fine. I'm just going to add it in here and just kind of like blend it in. So yeah. Okay, it's such a pain. Go ahead and buy the whole collection. I only wanted colors I would use. So I'm going to spray this. But like I said, basically the glaze and stuff would pretty much be colors that you would use your fingers for. And it's a gorgeous topper. It looks like this. Super gorgeous. And I'm going to just add to the other side. Making it even. Adding it here. And yeah. So I will be honest with you guys. The shimmers, as expected, their shimmer, their glitters, you will get some fallout, but it's nothing too crazy. So let's be realistic with these reviews on the products. Like, it's not crazy. Like, this is not crazy. I would just, that's why I took the initiative to do my eyes first, because I know like with these colors you are gonna get fallout. So that's it. And then the last thing I have for the collection is the lip gloss, but I'm gonna go ahead and just finish the rest of my face and add on and add lashes and stuff, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks with the lip gloss. I did not get the lipstick set, so I'm just gonna, or I didn't get the red lipstick either because I have a ton of those. I just really got the lip gloss because that stood out to me, so I'm gonna show y'all how it looks with the lip gloss. Alright y'all, so this is the completed look, and the last thing I'm gonna add to this look right now is just gonna be the Kylie gloss. So this is called, I'm gonna give y'all the exact name. It's the High Gloss, and I have the shade Snowcapped or Snowcapped, whatever. It looks like this. It's a super pretty, just like nudie, goldeny color. And I'm just going to put it on top of this lip combo I did. Beautiful shine. So y'all can see they are definitely a high shine gloss. Now my applicator is definitely stained, so I'm just going to wipe off that excess color because I hate when the applicator gets stained. And this is the completed look right here. So yeah, before I close this out, I will say the Kylie products so far from this collection at least is really, really nice. Y'all can see on my eyes I have the palette, and I also have on that eye glaze. Everything went on really beautiful. As expected, you will get fallout. Like, let's be honest, it is eyeshadow. You will get fallout from eyeshadow. No palette does not have any fallout, but you can definitely work with it. It's not fallout to the point that it's all over your face. Very, very workable. The colors were easy to blend. They were highly pigmented. So I think definitely if you are hesitant to try any Kylie products, at least in my experience from this collection, everything went on really nicely. The liner was super smooth. It was easy to use. The liner was super smooth. It was easy to use. It wasn't too hard at all. Everything was definitely overall good. So if you were hesitant to try any of the Kylie Jenner products, I would definitely say try it out. Give it a shot. Don't get turned off because it's Kylie Jenner or whatever stigma the Kardashian Jenners have that people talk about them, because honestly the products were good. It was worth the money. Shipping was actually a lot faster than what I thought. I think maybe I bought this on Friday. I might have put this on a Thursday or a Friday. It came literally on a Tuesday. No, it came on a Monday actually. So it came in a couple of days. So shipping was super fast. It didn't take long. Everything came as is. None of the products were broke. None of the products were missing. You do get like information about the like your confirmation after you order the products, of course. I think I got like my tracking literally on a Saturday. So everything came extremely fast. And I'm gonna give the Kylie Grinch collection, I'm gonna give it personally a 10 out of 10. I like the products, and maybe not even 10 out of 10, maybe let's give it a 9 out of 10 just because you will get a little fallout. But other than that, the products were amazing, you guys. So definitely try the products. Don't be hesitant. Like, it's good and it's worth it. So I would definitely say try it out. But that's it for this review. Until then, I'm going to see you guys in the next review. Comment down below if there's any brands or any products that you guys want me to try out and review for you guys. I would love to. I enjoy doing review videos, and I think also you guys enjoy watching me do the review videos. So yeah, I would definitely love to do it. So until then, I'll see you later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And later, mamas.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause